Hello students, today in this video we are going to discuss about the chapter number 6, factorization. Now exercise 6.1, first question from this exercise, find the remainder without division on dividing fx by x minus 2. Now first part of this question is fx is equals to 5x square minus 7x plus 4. Now according to this question, when the given function is dividing by x minus 2, therefore let us consider, let x minus 2 goes to 0, then we get x is equals to 2. Now substituting the value of x is equals to 2 in given function, then we get x is equals to 2. In place of x we have to substitute x is equals to 2, then we get 5 2 square minus 7 2 plus 4. In this way we have to find 5 into square of 2 is 4, minus 7 2s are 14 plus 4. Now 20 minus 14 plus 4. After adding 20 and 4, then we get 24 minus 14. Now 10. Therefore, the remainder of the given polynomial 5x square minus 7x plus 4 on dividing by x minus 2 is 10. And second part of this question, fx is equals to 2x cube minus 7x cube plus 3. Again, let x minus 2 is equals to 0, then we get x is equals to 2. Now substituting the value of x in the given function, then we get 2 to the power 3 minus 7 2 to the power 2 plus 3. Now 2 to the power 3 is equals to 8 minus 7 2 to the power 2 gives out 4 plus 3. Now 16 minus 28 plus 3. Now 16 3 is 19 minus 28. Now remainder is given by 28 minus plus 19 minus 28 gives out, now 16 plus 3 gives out plus 16 minus 28. After subtracting this we get minus 9 is the remainder of this question. Now second question of exercise 6.2, using remainder theorem, find the remainder on dividing the given function fx by x plus 3. Now first part of this question is fx is equals to 2x square minus 5x plus 1. Now let x plus 3 is equals to 0. Let x plus 3 is equals to 0, then we get x is equals to minus 3. Now substituting the value of x is equals to minus 3 in the given function, then we get, in place of x we have to put minus 3, then 2 minus 3 square minus 5 multiply with minus 3 plus 1. Now 2 multiplied square of minus 3 is 9, minus minus plus 15 plus 1. 18 plus 15 plus 1 gives out 8 5 13 1 14 1 1 2 1 3. Now remainder of this question is 34. And second part of this question is 3x cube plus 7x square minus 5x plus 1. Again let x plus 3 is equals to 0, then we get x is equals to minus 3. Now in place of x we have to put x is equals to minus 3, then we get 3 minus 3 cube plus 7 minus 3 square minus 5 into minus 3 plus 1. Now in this way we have to calculate minus 27 plus 7 multiplied with 9 minus minus plus 5 3s are 15 plus 1. Minus 81 plus 63 plus 15 plus 1. Now minus 81 plus 9 79. Now required answer is minus 2. Using remainder theorem, find remainder on dividing by x plus 3. In this type of question, we have to equate x plus 3 is equals to 0. Then we get x is equals to minus 3, and we have to put x is equals to minus 3 in the given function. Then we got the remainder of the given question. Now question number 5 of this exercise, using remainder theorem, find the value of k if on dividing the given function 2x cube plus 3x square minus kx plus 5 by another function x minus 2 and leaves a remainder 7. Now firstly we have to write fx is equals to, given function is 2x cube plus 3x square minus kx plus 5 on dividing by function x minus 2. Now consider the given function gx is equals to x minus 2. Since the function is dividing by gx means x minus 2, therefore x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now x is equals to 2. Now putting the value of 2 in this function, then we get 2 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 2 minus k 2 plus 5. Now the value is 2 to the power 3 is 8, 8 to the 16 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12 minus 2k plus 5. Now 16 plus 12 is 28 minus 2k plus 5, 33 minus 2k. Now according to the question, leaves remainder is 7. When the given function is dividing by x minus 2, then the remainder is 7. Therefore given remainder is equals to 7. Therefore on equating 33 minus 2k is equals to 7, then we get 33 minus 7 is equals to 2k. (26) is equals to 2k. Now k is equals to 26 by 2, then we get k is equals to 13. It means when function 2x cube plus 3x square minus kx plus 5 dividing by x minus 2, and by using a condition remainder is 7, then we have to determine the value of k is equals to 13. Question number 6, using remainder theorem, find the value of k if, find the value of a. In this equation, the value of a. Find the value of a if on dividing x cube plus 5x square minus ax plus 6 by x minus 1 and leaves a remainder 2a. Now firstly fx is equals to x cube plus 5x square minus ax plus 6, and another function gx is denoted by x minus 1. Now x minus 1 is equating to 0, then we get x is equals to 1, and substituting x is equals to 1 in this equation, then we get f1 is equals to 1 cube plus 5 1 square minus a into 1 plus 6, 1 plus 5 minus a plus 6. Look at here, 5 1 is 6 plus 6 minus a, it means 12 minus a. And according to the question, given remainder is, according to question, remainder is equals to 2a. Now equating 12 minus a is equals to 2a, then we get 12 is equals to 2a plus a, it means 3a is equals to 12. It implies that a is equals to 4. Question number 7. What number must be subtracted from 2x square minus 5x so that the resulting polynomial leaves the remainder 2 when dividing by 2x plus 1. Now the given function is written in this way: 2x square minus 5x. Now let a should be subtracted, a be subtracted by polynomial, then function may be written in this form: 2x square minus 5x minus a. Since a is subtracted, according to the question, what number must be subtracted? Let us consider a number. A is subtracted from the given polynomial, therefore 2x square minus 5x minus a. Now according to the question, resulting polynomial leaves the remainder 2 when dividing by 2x plus 1. It means another function gx is given by 2x plus 1. When we have to equating 2x plus 1 is equals to 0, then we get 2x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now substituting the value of x in this equation, then we get 2 in place of minus 1 by 2 square minus 5 minus 1 by 2 minus a is equals to 2. Square of minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 4, and minus minus plus we get 5 by 2 minus a. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, it means 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2 minus a. Now taking 2 as a LCM, then we get 1 plus 5 minus a. It means 6 by 2 minus a gives out 3 minus a. Now according to the question, remainder is 2. Therefore we have to equating 3 minus a is equals to 2. In this way 3 minus 2 is equals to a. Now value of a is 1. Therefore resulting number is equals to 1. Means what number must be subtracted? It means 1 is subtracted from the given polynomial, then we get remainder is 2. Now thank you class.